Hello beauty. Did you know that companion planting also has a fantastic advantage of improving the flavour of some of your crops? For example, if you plant lettuce and strawberries together, the strawberries will improve the flavour of the lettuce. Another one is if you plant thyme alongside your strawberries. The thyme actually enhances the flavour of the strawberries. Such a beautiful advantage of companion planting. There are so many advantages and so many benefits that all work in unison together. Isn't nature wonderful? So amazing. A few more. So not only enhances natural flavours, it can enhance the soil nutrients. So when there's more soil nutrients, it's going to look after the plant more. For example, going back to the three sisters, the corn and the beans, because it's reduced the weeds growing together, it enhances the flavour because they can flourish. And so if any plants are able to flourish, their tastes also enhance, and you have the enhanced improved flavour as well. Another one is the aroma of plants too, like your herbs and your basil helps with the different qualities. You've also got, reducing any sort of bitterness in crops when you plant them alongside each other. And some actually help promote sweeter tasting produce as well. One of my favourite combinations is growing carrots alongside onions. So the onions are actually improving the flavour of the carrots, because nothing else will grow like around the onions and improves the flavour. So growing it together. The basil, we've got basil and tomatoes, but you can also grow basil with your peppers, and it'll enhance the flavour of your peppers, help flourish so they will grow nicely as well. And several in the guide, you've got garlic and carrots. So the garlic is the one that reduces the bitterness in carrots and gives them such a beautiful sweetness. Remember, garlic can deter any of the carrot flies, and it reduces any sort of bitterness. You got a beautiful sweet carrot. There is honestly nothing quite like homegrown carrots. Trust me, when I grew the carrots here and the kids harvested them, we ate them straight out of the garden. You would not believe how sweet and delicious they taste. I love it when the kids can come out and just grab a pea pod and eat peas straight out of the garden, or come harvest a carrot or harvest some beans. And even nasturtium flowers. My oldest loves harvesting and eating the nasturtium flowers. They're like a peppery taste. She loves them. You add them to salads, or you come out and it's all just here. And if you are like making salads, if you're coming up to summer, so many more salads, plant your lettuce along your strawberries. The salads will taste that much better, and if it's homegrown and it's fresh, it's delicious, it's looking after your body, it's providing for your family, it's looking after nature. Do you see how it all works in together? And that's one of the beauties and such exciting, wonderful things that I love about companion planting. How it all works in unison together, how we all work in cycles with Mother Earth, and working together in partnership and companionship. Yeah, it's a companion. Another one is mint and peas. You know how you have minted peas? If you have, that's not a coincidence. So if you plant mint and peas together, the mint enhances the flavour of the peas. And I love fresh mint, and picking them and harvesting them together. So if you have the mint in a pot right beside your peas and you are planting them right beside each other, they enhance each other. And of course, chives and potatoes. Have you ever had mashed potatoes and add in some chives or eggs and chives? Growing chives and potatoes together enhances the potatoes' flavour. So how exciting is that? I hope by now it's enlightened you to so many different benefits of companion planting. Such a wonderful skill to have, and such wonderful knowledge of how we can work in unison, how we can garden naturally, and there is no need for pesticides, but yet we are gaining all these benefits. You are gaining, families gaining, communities gaining, and also Mother Earth as well. We're healing Mother Earth together by utilising the knowledge of companion planting. It's such a big, beautiful, I don't even know the word, but it's just absolutely incredible to work together with Mother Earth. I'll see you in the next video.